Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how long it takes to get approved for a SoFi loan. The timeline for approval on a SoFi loan can be quite fast, especially for personal loans. First, you can check your rate for a SoFi personal loan online in minutes, and this step does not affect your credit score. This pre-qualification gives you an idea of the rate you might receive. Once you formally apply, the final approval time varies. For many applicants, a credit decision is made quickly. For personal loans specifically, SoFi is known for fast processing. Their personal loan applications begin the initial review typically within 1 business day, and most applications are completed within 2 business days. If you are self-employed or your income requires additional review, it might take a bit longer, up to about 10 business days for processing in some complex cases. Adding a co-applicant can also slightly extend this time frame. After your personal loan application is fully approved and you sign the final documents, SoFi is known for same-day funding in many cases, provided you sign by a specific cutoff time. Funds are often received in just a few business days. It is important to remember that these timelines are for personal loans. Other loan types, like student loan refinancing or mortgages, have different processes. For student loan refinancing, the application review can sometimes take 3 to 10 calendar days, depending on the complexity. However, the entire process from application to the funds being sent to your school for a private student loan can take several weeks, as it requires school certification. For a mortgage pre-approval, the process typically takes around 10 days, but can vary from a couple of days to a couple of weeks, depending on the verification required. In short, for SoFi personal loans, you could get a decision in just a couple of business days and fund it on the same day as approval. However, always be prepared for a slightly longer wait if your application requires extra review or if you are applying for a different type of loan. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.